Today, there are so many ways for students to show off what they can do and what their strong suits are. With the web being so vast and the endless possibilities it provides to people, there are many ways that students can show colleges that they would make a great fit for their future college without having to go through so much testing anxiety. Instead, students are forced to sit down for 2 hours and test over subjects such as math, reading, and science. These standardized tests have been around for over 50 years, bringing students a large amount of stress and anxiety. High school students and people who wish to attend college have to take the ACT and/or SAT tests. In most cases, these test scores are one of the many things colleges you apply to look at to see if you are a good fit for their college. These tests are long and strenuous and should be eliminated from students' college processes for good. Students cannot show their true intelligence through these standardized tests, and now I will talk about why this is true. Let's start with the ACT test. This test has 4 parts: science, English, math, and reading. There is also a writing portion which is optional. Not all colleges require you to take this portion. Just this test alone has 215 total questions and allows a total time of 175 minutes. Being a high school student and having to sit and take a test that decides your future for 175 minutes is extremely stressful. According to PrepScholar.com's article titled Guaranteed Scholarships Based on SAT and/or SAT Scores, in the class of 2018, 1 million students took the ACT. The average composite score was 20.8 out of 36. At colleges such as Colorado State University, Arizona State University, Clemson, University of Mississippi, and many more, you need at least a score of 22 on your ACT test. Remind you, the average student in 2018 scored a 20. College is very expensive for students, and not getting any guaranteed help from the college of your dreams because of your ACT score is a shame. Now I will explain to you what the SAT test is. There are 2 SAT sections: math and evidence-based reading and writing. The SAT test is 3 hours long. If you choose to take the SAT with the essay portion, which is optional, the test will be 3 hours and 50 minutes. Most colleges and universities will accept scores from either the SAT or the ACT test and do not favor one test over the other. According to Prep Scholar's article titled Average SAT Scores by State, most recent, in 2019, the College Board reported the following average SAT score being 1,059 on a scale of 1,600. It is frustrating to many students when they receive their test scores and realize they got a much lower score than they expected to get. These tests bring students so much anxiety, from the test prep that starts in 9th grade to the practice test and then getting their test score back and panicking about what their future may look like. Rachel Lee wrote an article titled The SAT and ACT. Test stress extremes. She includes interesting information. The pressure to perform is greater than ever, and some students are going to extreme